Alright, now in this example we're going to be converting the following Egyptian numeral into Hindu Arabic numerals. In other words, the numerals that we use every day, 1, 0, 2, etc. Out of order like that, apparently. And so what's nice about the Egyptian system is that if I know what each of these symbols represent, all I gotta do is just add up all these values. So that's pretty nice. Of course, it's nice for us converting, but mathematically, a little clunky because if I want to say a whole bunch of something, so for example, 300, I have to write the symbol for 100 3 times. Well, notice I pointed to these when I said it. This spiral here actually represents 100 in the Egyptian system. So I've got 3 of these. I'll plop them down. This right here, you could think of it as a pointing finger, although it looks more to me like a shark fin, but that might just be the way I'm drawing it. This represents 10,000. And so right here, I've got one group of 10,000 and another group of 10,000. Now over here, these are exactly what they look like. These staffs represent 1. So I'll write it more like R1. But if you have that, you know what these symbols stand for, you're just going to add up the values. Now, a shortcut here is I've got 2 groups of 10,000. So if I add 10,000 to 10,000, that's 20,000. Or you can just think 20,000. 2 groups of 10,000 would be 20,000. Either way, we get 20,000, and I'm going to write it this way now because it's easier to add that way. Now, same logic here. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300, or 3 hundreds, which is 300 either way. Plus, well, this is just 1. How many 1s are there? 3. I think we're used to looking at that and immediately thinking 3 anyway. So we'll put the 3 right there. And now I just add it. 2, 0, 3, 0, 3. And so this right here, pointy finger, spiral, 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 slash, 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 is the way that the Egyptians would write 20,303. Now it's interesting to note that the Egyptians don't need a symbol for 0 because all I do is I write down how many of these that I need and I add them up. There is no placeholder. There's no positional system. So actually, even though you'd usually write the bigger numbers first, you could write these in any order and it would still be the same value in the Egyptian system. In most other number systems, that is not true at all. But as far as converting this to our number system, that is this example.